Sometimes you just want something simple that hits every time, and that's exactly what we're making today. Loaded with seasoned ground beef, tangy salsa, and bubbly melted cheese, these nachos are the perfect blend of crispy, cheesy, and savory. So if you want a fast, flavorful meal, keep watching and let's get right into it. In a skillet, cook 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat until fully browned. Drain the excess grease and stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water. Simmer until thickened and remove from the heat. Spread 1 bag of tortilla chips evenly on a lined baking sheet or dish. Top with ground beef, 1½ cups of salsa, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Once everything is hot and bubbly, you can pull it out and serve it up with all your favorite toppings. And just like that, you've got a tray of nachos that's loaded, customizable, and ready to disappear fast. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, why not give this video a like? And if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.